Hi, so welcome na naman sa panibagong episode ng ating shorthand lesson. So for today, I'm going to discuss to you the new symbols of S, F, and V. So kung ready na kayo, uh, hmm, start na tayo. Okay? S, F, and V. So the symbols for these three letters, S, F, and V, are very similar. So pay attention. So S, F, and V are downward right curves differentiated by length. So pakita ko sa inyo. So S, F, and the letter V. So kung mapapansin natin, magkakaiba sila ng size. Ayan. So si S maigsi, si F medium, si V ay mahaba. So eto si S. Tinatawag din natin ang symbol niya na comma S because it looks like a comma. Okay? So, gamitin natin siya sa mga example. So, ito po yung mga example natin. So, isa-isay natin. Ayan. Say, see, same, sim, as, and sign. So, let us try to write the following word into shorthand. Say, see, same, sim, as, and sign. Another set, we have stay, has, and so. So, try natin isulat itong mga ito. Okay, stay, S-T, and A. Wala ng Y kasi wala naman siyang Y sound. Has, so si H muna, tuldok, and then AS, then si so is the comma, then pagsasamahin natin yung symbol ng letter S at saka O. So kailangan smooth lang yung dating niya. So magmumukha siyang hook. Next naman, si sound, symbol for letter F. So mas mahaba siya ng kaunti sa letter S. Yan. So, try po natin sulat. So, always remember, downward stroke po ang sulat nitong tatlo na ito. Okay? So, fame, fay, fee, face, and saves. Tsaka yung last word natin, laugh. Yan. Same, fay, fee, face, saves, laugh. Okay, so for fame, ang susulat po nating symbol dyan is only F, A, at saka letter M. So yan lang po ang magiging itsura niya. Habaan lang natin konti. Okay, next we have F, A, tsaka yung capital symbol. Kasi naka-capital po yung word natin. Next we have V, F, and letter E lang. And then yung ating face, F, A, C. Yung C po, ang sound niya dyan ay letter S. So, S ang gagamitin. Next, we have saves. S, A, F, S. Wala po yung E kasi wala naman tayong narinig na E sound. Next, laugh. L, A, F. Kasi yun lang yung narinig nating sound. Yan. L, A, and F. Another example, we have phone, fast, and feed. So, sa phone, F, O, N lang po ang gagamitin nating symbol. So, F, letter O, and then letter N. Next, we have fast, F, and then letter A, tsaka S, tapos yung last is yung T, fast. Next is the feed, F, E, and D. So, dapat, medyo maliit si letter E, pero kasi nasulat ko na medyo malaki. Pero, alam nyo na, nagigets nyo yun. Kasi letter E. Isang ilang ang isusulat. Next. So, si F ay maiksi. Okay? Si F ay medium size. At syempre, yung last symbol po natin, si letter V, is the longest or lengthiest of the three. So, let us try to write examples of the following of sound of V. Okay, so we have vein, vase, saved, Steve, Steven, Dave, so V-A-N, Vain. Next, we have V-A-S, Vase. Next, we have S-A-V, tapos yung D. Walang E kasi wala man tayo narinig na E sound. Steven, S-T-E-V, tapos yung N, wala lang E kasi may omission po tayo dyan. Okay, so baka next ko yung omission. Next, doon naman tayo sa Dave. Okay, so D-A-V. Okay, ay nakalimutan ko sa Steven, capital symbol pala. Always remember capital symbol, kahit ako nakakalimutan ko yan lagi. Okay, so ayan po, Vain, Vase, Save, Steven, and Dave. So ayun lang po yung ano po natin sa S, F, and V. Always remember, these words are downward right curves differentiated by length. Their stroke ay always downward at never sila magiging upward. Okay? So, ayun. Bye po. Thank you for listening. See you on the next video.